Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So today is CPI inflation data for the US, normally a very big news event. I do think we are in a wave C, and when you're in a wave C, it literally can turn at any one of these Fibonacci levels and end up continuing down, especially because overall, I do think that the downtrend on the higher time frames is not complete. But normally, even if it is a running flat, normally you would expect it to go to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected at the top or the bottom of wave B. So it seems like this potentially could end up going up to someplace around this area before it actually does end up pulling back. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the 61% fib could definitely be an area of resistance. We could possibly get a big pullback right here, could possibly even end up ending a wave C right here. But as of right now, the trend is very heavily up on the daily, and technically it even turned up on the weekly. So for me personally, I would be looking for longs right now. If today's CPI news comes out and it causes a big impulsive move down at the 61% or any other Fibonacci level, then that probably would turn me into a seller of the dollar. But as of right now, until that happens, I am definitely still looking for buys on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.